Question 5, which expression is equivalent to the given expression negative 5y squared plus 50y minus 105? So we've got our four choices there. My first instinct is let's just go ahead and factor this problem. So we've got a trinomial with a lead coefficient of negative 5. Remember, the first thing we always look for when we factor is a greatest common factor. And it's pretty clear to me, okay, the lead number is a negative 5, and then we've got a 50 and a negative 105. So pretty clearly, negative 5 is a factor of those three terms. All three terms do not have a variable. So we cannot factor out a variable, but we can factor out a negative 5. So I'm going to divide each one of these terms by negative 5. And then I'm going to write what we've got left over inside the parenthesis here. So we're just doing reverse distributive property. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is positive 1. And we've got the y squared. Positive 50 divided by negative 5 is negative 10. And we got the y. And then negative 105 divided by negative 5 is a positive 21. So I look at the choices. Seems pretty clear that it's probably going to be one of the two middle choices because we can see there's a negative 5 that's been factored out. But let's just double check and make sure with what we've got left can be factored again. So I'm going to take the y squared minus 10y plus 21 and rewrite it over here. So I've got a blank canvas to work. And we want to factor this. To factor this, the lead coefficient is 1, so this is much easier. Only two things that will multiply together to give us y squared are y and y. So that takes care of that first term. Y times y is y squared. What takes care of these last two numbers, we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to give us positive 21 and add together to give us negative 10. So the easiest way to do this is to, let's rewrite 21 over here and write all the factors of 21, starting with 1. 1 and 21, 1 times 21 is 21. 2 does not go into 21. 3 does 7 times. 4 doesn't, 5 doesn't, 6 doesn't. No other factors of 21. Of those combinations, which two numbers could we possibly add together and get a negative 10 from? It's pretty clearly 3 and 7. But positive 3 and positive 7 gives us positive 10. So they both need to be negative. Negative 3 times negative 7 is positive 21. Negative 3 plus negative 7 is negative 10. So our factors are y minus 3, y minus 7, and don't forget the negative 5 that we factored out over here at the beginning. So that matches up with this answer choice here.